Despite, used to show contrast between two ideas, even though something happened. Informatively, despite is used to show contrast, meaning something happened even though a challenge or obstacle existed. Want to sound fluent in English? Let's master one powerful word, despite, with 25 practical sentences. Welcoming the audience, the narrator says, "Welcome to English for All. Today we're learning how to use despite, a word that helps you express contrast naturally. Let's practice with daily life examples. No difficult grammar, just easy learning. Despite the rain, we went for a walk, meaning it was raining, but we walked anyway. Despite being tired, she finished her project, meaning she was tired but still completed her work. Despite his age, he runs every morning, meaning he's old but he runs daily. Despite the traffic, I reached on time, meaning there was traffic but I wasn't late. Despite the noise, I managed to study, meaning it was noisy but I studied successfully. Despite the cold, we enjoyed the picnic, meaning it was cold but we had fun. Despite her fear, she spoke on stage, meaning she was scared but she gave the speech. Despite failing once, he tried again, meaning he didn't give up after failing. Despite being sick, she went to work, meaning she was unwell, but she still worked. Despite the warnings, he went swimming, meaning he ignored the danger and went. Despite his injury, he played in the match, meaning he was hurt but still played. Despite the heat, they kept walking, meaning it was hot, but they didn't stop. Despite losing money, they stayed positive, meaning even after a loss, they didn't lose hope. Despite his fear of heights, he climbed the tower, meaning he faced his fear and climbed. Despite her busy schedule, she made time, meaning she was busy but still helped. Despite their arguments, they are close friends, meaning they fight but care about each other. Despite the delay, we caught the train, meaning things were late, but we didn't miss it. Despite feeling nervous, he performed well, meaning he was anxious but did a good job. Despite the cost, they bought the house, meaning it was expensive but they purchased it. Despite his lack of experience, he got the job, meaning he wasn't experienced but was hired. Despite the bad reviews, the movie was great, meaning others disliked it but we enjoyed it. Despite not knowing anyone, she joined the group, meaning she was alone but participated. Despite the confusion, we completed the task, meaning it was unclear but we finished it. Despite the storm, the flight wasn't canceled, meaning bad weather didn't stop the flight. Despite the pain, he smiled, meaning he was hurting but stayed positive. Engaging the audience, the narrator asks, "Which despite sentence did you like the most?" Write your own example in the comments. Tip: use despite at the start or middle of a sentence to show contrast. It's formal and strong in writing too. Watch our next video, using although versus despite. What's the difference? Click here. Encouragingly, the narrator says, if this video helped you, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to English for All. Turn on the bell icon for weekly English lessons.